Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to import a CSV file into Clickup, starting right from the login process. So first, open your browser and go to clickup.com, click on the login button at the top right, and sign in using your email and password. Once you're inside your workspace, choose the space or folder where you want your CSV task list to go. Now look at the top right corner and click on the Import option. If you don't see it, click on your workspace menu and select Import/Export. From here, choose Import CSV. Click the Upload button and select your CSV file from your computer. After the file loads, ClickUp will show you a preview of your columns. Match each column to a ClickUp field, like task name, due date, status, or assignee. If something doesn't match, you can manually adjust it from the dropdown. Once everything looks correct, click Next or Confirm. ClickUp will now create all your tasks based on the CSV file. The import usually finishes in a few seconds depending on the size of your file. And that's it. Your CSV has been successfully imported into ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips.